Well, before I got to the program, I didn't have any clue. I kind of wanted to be an artist. I didn't really know. And I got to the program and I immediately figured it out.
Being part of the HEAL program has given me a lot of experiences in classroom, inside the hospital.
Health House is a really good opportunity, especially for kids of color.
Not everybody gets like these opportunities, especially in Oakland. People like me don't get to work in hospitals traditionally.
Our main focus is diversifying healthcare.
We're able to bring students from different areas of Oakland all together with the same objective and goal, which is to learn more about health careers.
We really focus on high school students, students of color who want to explore health careers.
Every single time I walk into that classroom, every single person, even though they come from diverse backgrounds, feels accepted. The second you walk in there, you're part of a smaller community to do something bigger.
The HEAL program can be broken down into 3 components. We have our classroom component, we have simulation, and we have what we're famous for, which are our clinical rotations.
You can Google health fields, but it won't be the same as actually walking into the department. You're never exposed to something so great until you actually get to see it.
I've been in respiratory,
Women's clinic,
GI unit,
labor and delivery,
central supply,
the NICU,
OR,
cardiology,
the morgue,
the infusion center,
maternal child health.
the ICU. I've also done, can I write a list down first? Because it's a lot.
I get to get a new experience in every new rotation.
Whenever we come back, we have like rotation reflections, and they'll talk about like, oh, I saw this like really cool like amputation, or just some like really cool stuff that sometimes I would like to see.
A lot of times students come into this program and they say, I'm gonna be a doctor or I'm gonna be a surgeon. And then they get out into those rotation experiences and they realize that maybe that's not the career for me.
Going into the program, I really thought I wanted to be a pharmacist and work with medicine. But through this program, I've realized there's so many more options. It's such a wide spectrum, and I see that I have so many more interests.
I went into this program knowing that I wanted to be in the medical field, but I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do. I was then directed to the maternal child health department on my first rotation, and I was able to see a birth, and I was able to help with the birth. I was there with the whole process before and after. It was just one of those moments in life where you just know that that's your calling, and I knew from there on that I wanted to be a midwife.
It's really important for us to not only talk about that nurse and the doctor, but to talk about some of those other careers. Maybe they're administrative, medical assisting jobs. We want to expose students to the breadth of health careers. Another component of our program is the simulation lab.
The experience with SimLab is very real.
We get to practice our skills with kind of like a robot patient.
They move, they talk, they experience pain.
Some of these mannequins can even deliver babies.
It really helps like getting that one-on-one experience and just treating the dog kind of like a human. It was really weird, but it was actually really helpful.
The nice thing about that is when you're in there, you have the freedom to mess up and learn from your mistakes.
I think these types of experience help students learn what's really important in life, and usually it's not where they're from. It's deeper than what's happening in their high school. They come here and they get a slice of reality.
If you're interested in being in HEAL, it's actually really easy. You just fill in a quick application. A lot of people get interviews, so don't worry about having low grades or thinking that, oh, they're not gonna want me because I haven't done anything in the past.
There's no GPA requirement. We have an online application, and we're just really looking for students who have a genuine interest in exploring. And this is an opportunity to escape, to learn, to feel like an adult, to feel like a professional, to find your strengths.
This HEAL program is a really good opportunity, and it changed my life a lot.
I'm growing as a person, and I'm growing into the career I want to pursue.
Health path, it's just amazing. Like, why not try it?